Hey class, we've already dealt with integration. We talked about Riemann sums. We talked about indefinite integrals, definite integrals. We talked about fundamental theorem of calculus, all that great stuff. So now what we're going to do is move on into another topic that's in calculus 1, I believe, maybe calculus 2. But for our course, AB is here. It's called differential equations. Now, differential equations just means something like this. We have dy dx equals an equation of some sort. So in other words, we're dealing with the derivative equation and we're going backwards to the original equation. And so what we're going to be dealing with today is we're starting off with this, and then we're going to go back to the original equation that was blah, 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 plus the constant. Now, with that plus c part, we've talked about it briefly real quick and stuff, but here's what's really happening. Whenever we do these equations and we create the original equation, we will get like a line that might be like this, maybe a curve that's a cubic graph, maybe something like that. But because we don't know what that last number is, like that last number back here, that number right there, c, instead of us actually putting a number there right now, we've been putting c because we don't know what that number is. So that means that the equation, the graph could be here. It could actually go through, could be 0 back there, and it could go through the actual origin, could be here up, going up, or it could be somewhere down here. But now, today, and with this lesson, we're going to learn find out how to find the actual equation for it. And so here, with that, we're going to have two different types of equations. So once we work everything out and we find from derivative equation back to original equation, when we have the plus c on the back of it, with that plus c, this is considered our general solution. So as we've been working out everything, we had that plus c. That was a general solution. Now, whenever we find out, okay, we have y, we have all of this going on, and let's say, for example, just for an example, not that this is always going to happen, the answer is plus 4. Whenever we actually find a value for c, we say that is our particular solution. Oh, sorry, not that part. Let's put it up here. This is our particular equation, so solution. So when we go through the rest of this lesson and we talk about like particular solution or general solution, this is what we're talking about. If it's particular, it has to have that number. We have to find what that value is for c. If it's for general, we just add plus c on the back of it and be done. All right. So let's move on to that.